Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into something essential for every small block Chevy enthusiast out there: the best SBC water pump bolts you can get your hands on. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, having reliable bolts is crucial for ensuring your engine's performance and longevity. Now, let's talk about why these bolts stand out from the rest. Designed specifically for small block Chevy engines, these bolts are crafted with precision and durability in mind. They're made from high-quality materials to withstand the rigors of engine operation and the elements, providing a secure fit that you can count on. One of the standout features of these bolts is their corrosion resistance. Engine compartments can be harsh environments, with heat, moisture, and chemicals constantly at play. These bolts are coated to prevent rust and corrosion, ensuring they stay strong and reliable over time. Take a look at these bolts up close. Each one is engineered to exact specifications, with threads that grip tightly and securely. This not only makes installation easier but also enhances the overall integrity of your water pump assembly. Guest expert. From my experience working with small block Chevys, having reliable water pump bolts is crucial. These bolts not only hold everything together but also play a role in maintaining proper coolant flow and preventing leaks. I recommend these to anyone looking for peace of mind and long-term performance. Wrapping up, if you're looking to upgrade your small block Chevy's water pump bolts, look no further. These bolts offer the reliability and performance you need, backed by positive feedback from enthusiasts and professionals alike. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check the description below for links to where you can find these bolts. If you've enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this one, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Product Critique, we're here to help you make informed buying decisions. See you next time.